10 websites to boost your expertise as a UI/UX designer in 2023. As a UI/UX designer, staying up to date with the latest trends, tools, and best practices is essential for professional growth. Thankfully, the internet offers a wealth of resources to help you enhance your expertise and stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of UI/UX design. We will explore 10 websites that are invaluable for UI/UX designers looking to expand their knowledge, learn new skills, and stay inspired in 2023. Smashing Magazine. www.smashingmagazine.com. Smashing Magazine is a go-to resource for UI/UX designers, offering a vast collection of articles, tutorials, and case studies. It covers a wide range of topics, including design principles, user research, prototyping, and interaction design. The website also hosts conferences and workshops, providing opportunities for networking and skill development. UX Collective. www.uxdesign.cc. UX Collective is a community-driven platform that curates insightful articles, design patterns, and industry news. It features contributions from experienced designers, sharing their expertise and practical tips. The website also offers a weekly newsletter, keeping you updated on the latest UX design trends and events. Dribbble. www.dribbble.com. Dribbble is a popular platform for designers to showcase their work, find inspiration, and connect with other creatives. It features a vast collection of UI/UX design projects, allowing you to explore different styles and approaches. Additionally, Dribbble hosts design challenges and offers a job board for UI/UX design opportunities. UX Design Weekly. www.uxdesignweekly.com. UX Design Weekly is a curated newsletter that delivers a hand-picked selection of UX-related articles, tools, and resources to your inbox every week. It covers a wide range of topics, including user research, information architecture, and usability testing. Subscribing to this newsletter is a great way to stay informed and discover valuable content. Nielsen Norman Group. www.nngroup.com. The Nielsen Norman Group is a renowned UX research and consulting firm. Their website provides a wealth of resources, including research reports, usability guidelines, and training courses. The articles and insights shared by their experts can help you deepen your understanding of user-centered design and usability principles. UX Booth. www.uxbooth.com. UX Booth is an online publication that publishes articles on various UX topics, ranging from user research and wireframing to accessibility and content strategy. The website features contributions from industry professionals, offering practical advice and real-world examples. It's a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced UI/UX designers. Axure Boutique. www.axureboutique.com. AxureBoutique.com is an online platform that offers a wide range of UX-related products and resources for UX designers and professionals. It is a marketplace where you can find Axure libraries, templates, icons, and other UX tools to enhance your Axure RP experience. The platform also offers articles, tutorials, and courses to help users improve their skills and stay updated with the latest UX design trends. UX Mastery. www.uxmastery.com. UX Mastery is a comprehensive resource hub for UX designers, offering articles, courses, and community forums. The website covers various aspects of UX design, including user research, interaction design, and UX career development. It's a great platform to learn from experienced professionals and connect with fellow designers. Medium. www.medium.com. Medium is a popular blogging platform that hosts a vast collection of articles on UX design and related topics. It features contributions from designers, researchers, and industry thought leaders. By following relevant publications and authors, you can access a wealth of insights, case studies, and design tips to enhance your skills. UX Design Institute. www.uxdesigninstitute.com. The UX Design Institute offers online courses and certifications in UX design. Their website provides comprehensive learning resources, including video tutorials, case studies, and practical exercises. By enrolling in their courses, you can gain in-depth knowledge and practical skills to excel in the field of UI/UX design. These 10 websites are invaluable resources for UI/UX designers looking to grow their expertise in 2023. From industry insights and practical advice to design inspiration and learning opportunities, these websites offer a wealth of information to help you stay at the forefront of UI/UX design. Make it a habit to explore these websites regularly, engage with the design community, and continuously expand your knowledge and skills to thrive in the dynamic world of UI/UX design.